Hi guys, so in today's video I have 3 amazing natural home remedies that you can use to get rid of scarring and acne on your face, as well as a DIY mixture that you can make in your own kitchen to give your skin a beautiful, tight, poreless glow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube fam for new videos every single Wednesday. Also, check out my website anita-samantha.com for free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook with secrets I don't share on my channel. Alright my loves, let's begin, and make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video because I will be showing you a lot of secrets that get more important throughout the video. So the first option is using organic apple cider vinegar as the base to one of our DIY mixtures to remove acne and scarring. Now, apple cider vinegar, the organic version, when mixed and diluted properly, is known to remove the damaged outer layers of the skin and create fast cell turnover to generate new skin cells that are healthy and removing the scars. Now, this is a great base. The second thing I do, or if you don't want to do both, you can choose one or the other, is use this vitamin C serum. I will list down below exactly where I found it, and in this video I will show you how to apply it to get the most use out of it. But this I put over my entire face. It makes such a difference. It's my second bottle and I am absolutely obsessed with this serum. So how I applied this and the apple cider vinegar, which I will show you a mixture you can make at home later on in the video, is with a jade roller. Now, I got almost actually everything in my video from theibizaglow.com. So this came with a jade roller and a little handheld stone, which whatever you would call this. It really helps with cell turnover as well. So what I usually do is apply whatever serum or beauty product I'm using onto this and really rub it into my face. It's great for blood flow, great for healing your skin and getting rid of acne for good. Now let's jump into the 2-ingredient DIY for the first portion of how to get rid of acne and scarring on your face. All you're going to be needing is apple cider vinegar. Just make sure it's organic if you want the absolute best benefits, and shake it really well. Then you're just going to pour less than a cap full of the apple cider vinegar and then pour it in your bowl. The second ingredient is going to be some natural spring water. I like using this on my face better than sink water because it's just pure and better for your skin to absorb. So you're going to put a full cap full of that water to dilute the apple cider vinegar and give it a really good stir. And I'm just using my jade stone. By the way, you guys, this is the best quality jade stone I've gotten. You can tell it's so real, so I feel like it adds extra benefits by using it to stir. Then you're going to want to take a Q-tip and really let that Q-tip absorb the mixture that you just made, and you're going to apply it to any problem areas, any acne, any scarring. It works as a really good toner, and as I explained before, it's amazing for generating new skin to heal your scars and your acne. So apply it to your face, to your problem areas, and then what I'm going to do is take my jade stone and really rub it into my skin. So what this does is promote the blood flow and lymphatic drainage to get rid of any of the unwanted things in your skin, your face, your pores. It also really helps to tighten the skin. It also feels really, really good. So I always like to use this to apply products. So if you guys are watching right now, you know what time it is. Comment 4-minute mark in the comment section below so I can see who my true subscribers are and show you so much love. Now let's jump into the second option, or step 2. So I see apple cider vinegar as the natural toner and this is the natural healer. So you always want to apply a good serum after something like a toner or apple cider vinegar. So this vitamin C serum is specifically for helping scars, discoloration, and just brightening the skin. So I apply it directly on my skin, then I use a jade roller or the stone to really help push it into my skin and let it absorb it the best that it can. Now, I also apply the serum onto the actual stone itself. I find that it feels so good and my skin really likes when I apply it this way. I notice the best results like this. I then let it sit on my skin for a little bit and then just pat it in with my fingers, and I try not to wash my face for at least 6 hours. And you can do this before you apply makeup or one of the days you're just keeping your skin fresh and clean. But that is my video. I really hope you guys like it, and I just want to remind you that skin is so important. You should always take care of your skin, invest in your skin. So I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to drink your water, leave some positivity in my comment section, and I will see you guys very, very soon for a new video. Mwah. Real quick guys, I'm also moving very soon, so comment down below if you want me to do an apartment tour before I move. And as always, check my description below for any links or videos you're looking for. I love you and I'll see you soon. Bye!